लाली मेरे लाल की, लाली मेरे लाल की, चित देखूं तितला. The light of my beloved is spread everywhere. When I went searching for it, I too became part of the light. लाली मेरे लाल की, चित देखूं तितला. लाली देखन में भई नैनी हो गई लाल. हरी है खांडू रेत मही, हाथ चुनी ना जाए. God's presence is like grains of sugar in a pile of sand. An elephant cannot pick them, but a little ant knows the way. God's presence is like grains of sugar in a pile of sand. An elephant cannot pick them, but a little ant knows the way. Truth, my friends, is very subtle. Be humble to seek it. हरी है खांड रेत मही, हाथ चुनी ना जाए. कहे कबीर गुरु भली बुझाई, चींटी होय के खाए. चींटी होय के खाए. You can eat it only by being an ant. अबली अल्लाह नूर पाया, कुदरती के सब बंदे. From one light all has come to be. Who is wicked? Who is good? These are all illusions of your own mind. अबली अल्लाह नूर पाया, कुदरती के सब बंदे. एक नूर से सब जग उपजा, अरे कौन भले और कौन मंदे. Who is good? Who is bad? These are illusions of your own mind. मन का फेरत युग भया, गया न मन का फेर. For years you have been moving the beads in your hand, yet nothing has changed in your heart. Open your hands. Let your heart turn. मन का फेरत युग भया, गया न मन का फेर. कर का मन का छांड के, अरे मन का फेर. Kabir was a great poet, but he did not know how to read and write. He did not write this poetry. And yet he played with words so beautiful, no poet in the world could possibly compare. He plays this word manka, which means bead. It also means something belonging to the heart. So he says, for years you have been moving the beads in your hand, yet nothing has changed in your heart. Leave aside the beats. Open your hands. Let the heart turn. मन का फेरत युग भया, गया न मन का फेर, कर का मन का छांडी के, मन का फेर. He uses the word man ka 7 times in different ways. प्रियतम को पतियां लिखो, जो कोई होए विदेश. I write letters to my beloved as though she lived in another land. Oh, how I forget that she lives in my body, in my eyes, in my soul, all times, receiving messages at all times. प्रियतम को पतियां लिखूं, जो कोई होए विदेश, मन में, तन में, नैन में, ताको कहा संदेश. She's receiving messages of my love all times. Kabir sometimes addresses God as beloved, sometimes as a lover, sometimes as a child, sometimes as a presence. So there is no one single image that he has in mind that he shares with us. And again, that's what he says. Then he says, Likha likhi ki hai nahi. Likha likhi ki hai nahi. Are dekha dekhi ki baat. Not from the books do I quote. I say only what I have seen with my own eyes. You see, he was an unlettered man. He did not know how to read and write. And so he's always confronting the Pandits, the Brahmins, the learned, the scholars. And he was always making fun of them, because they ridiculed him. How could such an unlettered man have any wisdom? So he says, Likha likhi ki hai nahi, are dekha dekhi ki baat. Not from the books do I quote, I say only what I have seen with my own eyes. When the bride is in the arms of her lover, who gives a damn about the wedding party? Likha likhi ki hai nahi, are dekha dekhi ki baat. Dulha ko dulhin mil gayo, phiki padi barat, phiki padi barat. I wish if any one of you here understand the original. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I discovered Kabir at the age of 35, many years ago. I had read him in school, as we do in India, in many schools. He's taught. He's very much a living poet, very much a poet loved by students, by peasants, by farmers, by lovers, because his presence is everywhere. And so we studied him in school, and yet we didn't understand, as happens. We did not understand the wisdom. So it took me 25 years to rediscover him. I was a student of nuclear physics. And I said, when he came into my life, I said, I learned more from this unlettered man and through his poetry than I had learned through all the books of philosophy and all the books of science. It changed my life. It transformed. It was an incredible discovery. And so that's why I'm here to share with you. I translated him. I wrote a book about him. And so that's how I'm sharing it with you. So. Just a background, because many people do not know very much about Kabir. Just a short background. Kabir lived about 500 years ago in India. And he is said to have been a Muslim child, but abandoned by the parents, and picked up by some low-caste Hindu family, and therefore brought up in a Hindu family. So all his life, he kept denying that I'm neither a Hindu nor a Muslim. And he ridiculed the rituals and the hypocrisies of both religions. And he got into a lot of trouble with them. Lot of trouble. There were many attempts on his life to kill him. But he sang and he invoked people that what is true, what is beautiful, what is genuine, and that what we need to seek. So all his ideas, in some ways, you can see the sages of Upanishads speaking through him. And you see the great sages of all times speaking through him. And yet he said again and again, I do not belong to any religion. And yet, as it often happens, when he died, he was being adored by both religions, both by the Hindus and the Sikhs, by the Hindus and the Muslims. And it is said, the legend has it, when he died, they both wanted to do the last rites according to their rituals. So the Hindus wanted to cremate his body, and the Muslims wanted to bury it. So this legend has it, that when they removed the shroud, they found no body, only a heap of flowers. So they divided it in two parts. One heap was used and it was buried, and the other was cremated. So if you go to Varanasi, there are two places where Kabir is buried and cremated. There is one place where Hindus go, and the other place where the Muslims go. Okay. And to this day, he keeps saying that he is not a Hindu or a Muslim. His philosophy, his ideas, that's what I'm going to share with you through many couplets. These are called couplets, dohas. They are very short pieces. And there is also longer songs are associated with him, but these ones that I will present to you today are just short pieces. I call dohas or sakis, which literally means these are the expressions of one's, I'm a witness to truth. I'm a witness to truth. These are sakshi, I'm a witness to truth. So again and again, he invokes it, invokes this truth and this beauty, this grandeur, this meeting of the lover and the beloved. Many of these pieces are very erotic, very sensuous, because he treats really his lover, his God is not a dry, abstract figure. It is very much a beloved presence around him. So he said, Kumbh mein jal hai, Kumbh mein jal hai, jal mein kumbh. Bahir bhitar pani. I am like a potter, like a pitcher of clay floating in the ocean. There is water inside me and there is water outside me. And suddenly, with the touch of the Guru, this pitcher is broken. What is inside? What is outside? It's all one. Kumbh mein jal hai, jal mein kumbh. Bahir bhitar pani. फुटा कुंभ जल जल ही समाना यह तत् कहे ज्ञानी जिन ढूंढा तिन पाया गहरे पानी पैठ. If you seek, you must dive deep in the water. If you seek, you must dive deep in the ocean. That's where the pearl is. But I was a scared old woman. I just sat at the shore, empty-handed. It talks of the ambivalence in the human heart and the struggle, the spiritual struggle one engages in and not find what the way out. So many of these pieces in these dohas, these sakis are in that context. Jin dhunda tin paya gehre pani pait. You got to dive deep in the ocean. Jin dhunda tin paya gehre pani pait. मैं बोरी बोड़न डरी रही किनारे बैठ. I was a scared old woman. I just sat at the shore. This whole idea, there's a story said, the lover knocks at the door of the beloved and she says, who's there? And he said, it's I. And the door remained closed. So a year or two later, he came again, knocked at the door. She said, I asked him, who's there? And he says, it's you. And the door was open. Jab main tha, tab tu nahi. When it was I, my ego was there, you were absent from me. You were away. Your face was not visible to me. Jab main tha, tab tu nahi. Ab tu hai tu main nahi. When my ego was there, your face was invisible to me. And now that I see you, I am no more I. He says this path of love is much too narrow. Two cannot walk here, only one. Jab main tha, tab tu nahi, ab tu hai, to main nahi. Yeh prem gali ati sankhri, isma do nahan samahi, isma do nahan samahi. This path of love is much too narrow. Two cannot walk here, only one. Again, it says again, Piya chahe prem ras, rakha chahe man. You want to experience, you want to feel the experience of love, and yet you do not let your ego go. How is it possible? He says, to have two souls in one sheep. Nobody has heard of such a thing. Two souls in one sheep. No one has heard of such a thing. Priya chahe prem ras, rakha chahe man. Ek khadag mein, ek myan mein do khadag. Are dekha sunana khan. When one sheep and two souls, nobody has heard such a strange thing. So, you see, if you want to have real sense of love, you've got to let your ego go. Again and again, he sings like this. Said Kabira Hari Ras Piya. He says, so drunk am I with the love of my beloved that all my doubts are gone forever. Kabira Hari Ras Piya, Baki Rahi na Thak, Paka Kalash Kumharaka, Chadhyana Duji Par. Once, so drunk am I with the love of my beloved that all my doubts are gone forever. A pot once baked in the fire is not turned on the wheel again. Kabir was a weaver. He was a weaver, and all his life he continued to weave. And weaving in India, sadly, has been considered low caste. And crafts, many castes, weavers, potters, people who work with oil, etc., they were considered low caste. So he was shunned by the upper caste and by the Brahmins and the priests. And so, but all his metaphors he draws from life as he sees it. And he was never an ascetic. He never left life and followed only one path. He was very much involved in life. And so, again and again, he draws his metaphors, his examples from life as he sees it, and all around him. And there's everything he made sacred. There was nothing he did not see a certain sanctity in it. So, again, I say, Kabira Hari Ras Piya, so drunk am I with the love of my beloved that all my doubts are gone forever. A potter's bowl, once baked in the fire, is not turned on the wheel again. See, once it's baked, you don't turn on the wheel, don't put on the wheel again. As I said, Kabir speaks like a lover, and many of his songs are really love songs. I call in my translation book, I call it love songs. They're really they're sensuous, they're erotic, they're a celebration of life in every way. And so I'll share with you some of the beautiful love song, the metaphor he uses. Kabira ye ghar prem ka, khala ka ghar nahi. He says, oh Kabir, he addresses himself, oh Kabir, this is a house of love. It is not a house of pleasure. This is a house of love. It is not a house of pleasure if you yearn to enter here. Let your ego go. Kabira ye ghar prem ka, khala ka ghar nahi, sheesh utare adhikari, so ghar paise mahi. You got to let your ego go if you want to enter this house, this house of love. Now then he says, Nainan ki karun kothari, I'll make my eyes into a bridal chamber. He's addressing. I'll make my eyes into bridal chamber. In the pupil of my eye, I'll lay the bridal bed. I'll use my eyelashes like silken curtains, and there I will endear my lover. नैनन की करूं कोठरी, नैनन की करूं कोठरी, पुतली पलंग बिछाऊं। नैनन की करूं कोठरी, पुतली पलंग बिछाऊं। पलकन की चिकदारी के, पलकन की चिकदारी के, पिया कुले उलझाऊं, पिया कुले उलझाऊं। I'll use my eyelashes like silken curtains, and there I'll endear my lover. And next one, he says, Nainan yantaravatu, oh my beloved, enter into my eyes. Oh my beloved, enter into my eyes, and I'll enclose you with my eyelashes. Oh my beloved, enter into my eyes, and I'll enclose you with my eyelashes. I will look only at you, and I will not let you see another. Nainan yantaravatu, नैनन अंतर आवतु, तेहू नैन झपेहू। नैनन अंतर आवतु, तेहू नैन झपेहू। ना मैं देखूं किसी और को, ना तुझे देखने देहूं। Very possessive lover. You come, enter into my eyes, and I'll behold only you, and I will not let you see another. The Indian women, married women, in the parting of their hair, they put sindoor, red powder. So he says that in that red powder, in that parting, you put only red powder, you do not put black powder. So he says, for everything, sacred thing, there is only one sacred space. And you must learn what is that sacred space. So, Kabira rekh sindoor ki, see, Kabira rekh sindoor ki, kajal diya na jaye. Kabira rekh sindoor ki, kajal diya na jaye. In the sindoor, you do not put black powder. That is the symbol of bride. So you do not put black powder, you put red powder. That's to indicate you are the bride. So he says, I am the bride of my lover. I am the bride. He says, Kabira rekh sindoor ki, kajal diya na jaye. Nainan ramya rami raha. He says, my eyes are filled with his love. There's no space for another. I filled my eyes with that special powder. There's no space for another. Jin pavan bhui bahu phire, ghume desa videsa. Say, to search for him. People wander all over the earth in search of the beloved. Jin pavan bhui phire, Jame देश विदेश पिया मिलन जब हो गया ताको दया विदेश. He says, when I met my beloved, my own backyard became the whole universe. The people go wandering, looking for him in far and distant places. But when I met her, in my own backyard, became the whole universe. Jin pavan bhui bahu phire, ghume देश विदेश. पिया मिलन जब होया आंगन भया विदेश. तू करता तू भया मुझ में रही न हूँ. When I was calling tu karta, when I was calling your name, my own ego went away, disappeared. Tu मैं करता, when my own ego disappeared. तू करता तू भया मुझ में रही न हुई. बेरी फेरी बली गई, बेरी फेरी बली गई. जित देखो तित तू. There is nowhere else. All I see is you, all of it. So all of it, I see your light. in the Indian tradition, there is a very great importance for the guru, the teacher. Teacher is very important. And so all Indian spiritual writing, poetry is filled with homage to the guru, which is teacher. Now Kabir was a low caste, nobody would accept him as a disciple. So he's created a Sadguru which is just in his mind, and other times there is this legend that he did have a guru. But anyhow, he's given wonderful compliments and homage to the guru, to the teacher. He says, Guru Kumhar Shisha Kumbha hai. Guru is like a potter. Guru is like a potter, and the student is like a pot. He beats him from the outside, but he supports him from the inside. So a beautiful pot can be created. You get the image? Guru is like a potter, and the student is like a pot. He beats him from the outside, but he supports from the inside. So a beautiful pot can be created. Guru Kumhar Shishya Kumbha hai. Guru Kumhar Shishya Kumbha hai. Gadi gadi kaadhe kot. Antar haath sahar de. Bahir mare chot. He's beating from the outside, but he supports from the inside. So a beautiful pot can be created. Then he says, my teacher, my guru, and my God, my master, both stand here before me. So there is an etiquette. Who should I bow first? This is a question of etiquette. Who should I bow first? He says, it is bow before your teacher first. It is he who has opened the door to the master. Guru Gobind dono khade. Guru Gobind dono khade. Kake lagu paaye. To whom shall I bow first? He says, bow before your teacher first. It is he who has opened the door to the master. Guru Gobind dono khade. Kake lagu paaye. O Palihari us Guru ki. Jo Gobind Deo dikhaye. I hail the teacher who has opened the door to the master. Guru Gobind dono khade. Kake lagu paaye. Balihari us Guru ki. Jo Gobind Deo dikhaye. Kabira Guru Garba milya. Rana gaya aata loon. He says, when I met my Guru, it's like salt is merged in the flour. Who can tell what is what? He says, all my class and my caste and my clan and my name all disappeared. What shall I be called? I have not taken, it's like a salt merged in the flour. And now, what name am I to be given? Kabira Guru Garba Milya, Ranagaya Aata Loon. Jaat paat kul sab mit gaye. All my birth, my clan, my caste, all have disappeared. Jaat paat sab kul mit gaye. Naam dharange kaun. What name am I to be given now? What am I? Who am I? Then he says, importance of Guru again. Satguru bachara kya kare? What can a teacher do if the student is not sincere? He says, what can a teacher do if a teacher is not sincere? He can give you the word, but it's like a flute player. Like a flute player playing to the flute that is cracked. How can he create music? So he says the importance of both the teacher and the student. So, Satguru Bapura kya karu? Jahan satai madhai chuk. Bhavai tum pramodhi le. Jubasi bajaye phuk. If the bamboo is cracked, how can you create a flute out of it? So he says the importance of the student and the pupil. Kabir was surrounded, as we all are, by people who in the name of religion are incredible hypocrites. They exploit other people, misuse them, abuse them, mislead them. And that story has been around for a few thousand years. Certainly 500 years ago, Kabir saw it all. He was living in Varanasi, which is the center of Hindu orthodoxy, and he saw how the Pandits and the Brahmins in the name of God and this and that were being exploited. And he made fun of them. He ridiculed them. And he was a hippie of its time, the great radical man. And he got, as I said earlier, got into a lot of trouble because of this. So many of his poems, many of his songs, many of his sakis have to do with this exposing this hypocrisy. So here it says, Jantra mantra sab jhoota hai. He says all these rituals and worship are a lie, just adding illusion to illusion. He said, Jantra mantra sab jhoota hai, mati bharmo jag koi, sar shabd jane bina, kaga hans na hoi. He says, truth is integral. Oh my friends, truth is integral. Without understanding the true essence of things, a crow, just because it can make a sound, a crow does not become a swan. Jantra mantra sab jhoota hai, jantra mantra sab jhoota hai, mati bhramo jag koi, sar shabd jane bina, without understanding the truth. Kaga hans na hoi, a crow does not become a swan. Kaga hans na hoi. Then you see in India, in the Hindus, amongst the Hindus, we worship a lot of idols, and he made fun of it. He said, Patthar puja hari mila. If by worshipping a stone, you could see the face of God, I would rather worship a mountain. And then he says, better still, I would rather worship a grindstone that grinds the wheat and feeds the world. So, Patthar puja hari mila, to sab koi, to puchu, Patthar puja hari mila, to main puju pahad, tate wo chakki bhali. He said, better still, I worship a grindstone. Tate wo chakki bhali. Just a piece of khai sansar, at least it does some good. It feeds the world. He said, tate wo chakki bhali. Just a piece of khai sansar. So then he says, again people of upper caste, he made fun of them. Unche kul ka janmaya, karni unch na hoye. He said, you are born in high caste, but look at your deeds, how low they are. Unche kul ka janmaya, karni unch na hoye, sovan kalash surya bharya, sadhu ninda soy. If a pot of gold, if a golden bowl is filled with poison, do you think it deserves some praise? So he said, Uche kulka janmaya, karni unch na hoye, savan kalash surya bharya, sadhu ninda soy. If a bowl of gold is filled with poison, do you think it's worthy of praise? Then he says, Kaya jap, kaya tap, kaya sangam, kaya vrat, kaya sanan, jab jagat jugat na jani, bhava bhagat bhagavan. He says, all this fasting and rituals and bathing at the ghats and the rain, these are all illusions. They do not open the door to God. He says, the true, unless you understand the essence of things, you are just creating one delusion after another. Then he said, karme to mala pirai. You have a big beads in your hand. You have a big mala and beads in your hand. Karme to mala pirai. Jiva pirai mukmahi. And your tongue moves in your hand, moves in your mouth. And your mind wanders all over the earth. My friend, don't delude yourself. This is not meditation. Karme to mala pirai. जीभ फिरै मुख माही. Your tongue moves all over and your mind wanders all over the earth. He says, don't delude yourself. This is not meditation. Karma to mala firai, jeeva firai mukh mahi, manva to chaudashi firai. Are yeh to sumar nahi, yeh to sumar nahi. Kajal Keri Kotri, with the promise of heaven, the Pandits have set up idols of stone everywhere. O seeker, don't be deceived. They are merely doors, dark doors on a coal mine. O seeker, don't be deceived. They are only dark doors on a coal mine. Kajal Keri Kotri, मसी के कर्म कपाहे, पाई भूमि प्रथमी, पंडित पाड़ी बात. They are just, these are dark doors on a coal mine. See, listen, O Kabir, to the whispers of the beads in your hand. Listen to, O Kabir, to the whisper of the beads in the rosary of your hands. Why keep turning me, O seeker, when you do not turn your own heart? The whisper, the beads are saying to them. Kabira mala kath ki, kahe samjhaye to hi, man na pheriya apna, kahe phera mohi. Why are you keep turning me when you do not turn your own heart? Say, telling beads all day, oh brother, what good does it do? You shave your head and don saffron clothes. You think that makes you holy man? Mala paya kuch nahi, bhakti na tahi kahat, matho mach mudai kari, chalyo jagat ke saath. You know, as many Hindus do, shave their heads, and they and it says, so telling beads all day, oh brother, what good does it do? You shave your head and then don saffron clothes. Does that make you into holy man? Ek boond, ek malmutra. You see, he's saying to the people who are so ridden with caste system. Ek mool, ek malmutra, ek cham, ek guda. Ek jyot se sabhi upja, kaun brahmin aur kaun shudra. One flesh, one body, one breath that flows in all beings. From one light, all has come to be. Who is a Brahmin? Who is an untouchable? He says, Hindu to main hu nahi, I am not a Hindu. He said, neither a Hindu nor a Muslim am I. A mere ensemble of 5 elements am I, where the spirit plays its drama of joy and suffering. Hindu to main hu nahi, Hindu to main hu nahi, Musalman bhi nahi, पांच तत्व का पुतला, and made, my body is made of 5 elements, and inside, in that body, the whole drama of the verse plays itself. हिंदू तो मैं नहीं, मुसलमान भी नहीं, पांच तत्व का पुतला, चाकित मैं तदमाही. He says, जान न पूछो, जात न पूछो साधु की. He said, why do you ask what caste does a holy man, does a man of wisdom have? He said, don't ask the caste of a man of wisdom. Ask how wise he is. He says, you assess the sharpness of his sword, not the sheath in which it's contained. He says, जात न पूछो साधु की, पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान. जात न पूछो साधु की, don't ask for the caste. Don't ask, जात न पूछो साधु की, पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान. मोल करो तलवार का, अरे पड़ा रहने दो म्यान. Said, see how sharp the sword is, not how much sheath it is contained. Kabir's, many of his songs, longing. There's always the whole drama of love, longing and separation and meeting and rejoicing. So all this is part of his repertoire, the great poetry that he wrote, that he composed. Many of these songs have been gathered over the centuries, and people have debated whether they belong to Kabir or not. But many of his couplets are quoted as pieces of wisdom. And they're used like metaphors, and people quote it, the politicians quote it, the writers quote it, and peasants quote it, farmers quote it. So it's become very much part of the common culture, the popular culture of India. He says, Kabira Sipa Samandaki. There is a story, there is a myth, there is a legend that one does a particular shell become a pearl. When does one in that oyster, when does it become a pearl? So there is a story in Hindi that says if a drop of water falls into that shell under certain special configuration of the stars, only then it becomes a pearl. And it's called Kabira Sipa Samandaki. Says that Kabir, the shell is in the ocean. It's surrounded by water, but it's still thirsty because it is yearning for that particular drop that will make it into a pearl. Kabira Sipa Samandaki, Rata hai pyas pyas, Samadhi tinka bari ginai, Swati bund ki yas. Swati bund is Swati, is a special configuration of the stars, and when the raindrop comes in that, then it becomes a pearl. It says, I'm waiting for that particular drop that will turn me into a pearl. Kabira Sipa Samandaki, Rata pyas pyas, Samadhi tinka bari ginai, Swati bund ki yas. And then he says, he addresses himself as a third person, Kabira, Kabira, and friend, or seekers, and so many ways of addressing it. So he says, Kabira Ved Bulaya. He says, people thought I was sick. You see, I was going through states of ecstasy, they thought I was sick. So they called a doctor, and he comes and checks me, and he says, can't find anything. He says, how can a doctor know what is going on inside my heart and what longing I have? Kabira Ved Bulaya. Yes, Kabira Ved Bulaya. Patke dekhi bahan. He touches my pulse. Find out what's the matter with him. Vedna Vedna janahi. Karta kale jima. how can the doctor know what is tormenting my spirit? There are, as I said, many times he addresses the people who are people of books. Again and again, people like me who books, whose whole life depends on scholarship and books and reading, and he challenges them. Here's a man who did not know to read and write, and yet he's a man of great wisdom. So he says, "Pothi padh padh jagmuva." He says, there's a many a man who's read all the books, but rarely is there a man of knowledge. So, "Pothi padh padh jagmuva, pandit bhaya na koe." He said, there is many a man who has read all the books, but rarely is there a man of knowledge. To be a man of knowledge, one needs to read only one word, and that is love. Again and again, that is the essence of it. Pothi padh padh jagmuva, pandit bhaya na koe, dhai aakhar prem ka, padha so pandit hoye. One who's read that one word, love, he is the man, he is the true man of knowledge. Dhai aakhar prem ka, padha so pandit hoye. He says again, he says, "Oh Kabir, why not leave the scriptures alone? All this learning leads only to a dead end. Unless you are imbued with her love, oh dear friend, why shout her name in the dark? Unless you are imbued with her love, why shout her name in the dark? Kabira, padiva duri kari." Leave aside this reading and scriptures. Pida kabira padhaya duri kari, ati padhaya sansar, puri na puja pratisi, tau keh kari cry pukar. Why are you shouting his name unless you are imbued with her love? Says then again, God is like a necklace of pearls, held together with a delicate thread. By scriptural debates, you'll get this necklace entangled. With your logic, it may even fall to pieces. Hari motiyon ki mala hai. He said, God is like a necklace of pearls, very delicate. Hari motiyon ki mala hai, poi kachai tag, jatan kari jhan dhan, toot gayi kahun lag. By your arguments and debates, it gets entangled, and you do not see its beauty. This one, he says, Kam krodha mad lobh. So long, he says, lust, anger, agitation, avarice, so long as one is possessed by them. Oh my friend, there is little distinction between a fool and a scholar. Lust, anger, agitation, avarice, so long as one is possessed by them. Oh my friend, there is little distinction between a fool and a scholar. Kam krodha mad lobh ki, काम क्रोध मद लोभ की जब तक घर में खान, क्या मूर्ख क्या पंडित दोनों एक समान. He says, well, it's a pandit or a मूर्ख does not make a difference. They are both the same. Unless you know how to handle lust, anger, agitation, avarice. He says, Chaturai hari na mila. He says, from cleverness, intellectual cleverness, you will not see the face of God. Chaturai hari na mila. Yeah, batan ki batan. This is the real essence of things. By not cleverness leads you to the path of love. Not by cleverness. Ek nisprahi nirdharati. Kahai gopi nath. Not by cleverness or intellectual gymnastics does one see the face of the Lord. O seeker, this is the essence of all things. Only he who yearns for his love relentlessly is sought by him for his embrace. So this one here, he says, by reading, you have become like a stone. And no feelings are left in you. No sense of love has touched you. Likhi likhi bhayaju eent, kahe kabir prem ki, lage no ek cheat. Not a drop of love has touched you. What a stone you have become, ever absorbed in intellectual pursuits. Not a drop of love that has touched you. Oh Kabir, remember, without love, it is all worthless and dreary. Kabir was a great teacher. People assembled, receiving knowledge at his feet. Yet he was never a ascetic. He continued to be a weaver, continued to work, continued to live life of an ordinary person. But many of the things he said were moral sayings, and they are quoted again and again. People use them. And they are moral in their character. The path to understanding and wisdom. So I'll quote you some, I'll share with you some. Kabira organ Nangeham. He says, O Kabir, dwell not on others' faults, but on their qualities. See the presence of the Lord in all things, like a bee that builds its hive by collecting nectar from many different flowers. Kabira organ Nangeham. Don't dwell on others' faults. Kabira, organ, nagai. Don't dwell on others' faults, but on their qualities. Just look at a bee, how it collects. It collects nectar from so many flowers and creates honey out of it. So again, we say, such a great variety of fruit and flowers blossom on this earth. O Kabir, enjoy what is nourishing. Why be obsessed with something that is useless? These are moral sayings again quoted again. Vasudha ban bahu bhati gaye, Vasudha ban bahu bhati hai, Phulya phaliya ya gadh, Vishta sabhash kakri gaye, Vishama kahe kahe sadh. Why? He said there's fruits and flowers everywhere. Rejoice. Why be obsessed with something that is useless? When God guides your way, O Kabir, what fears could possibly come your way? Remember, those who ride an elephant remain undisturbed with the barking dogs. Kabira tu kahe dariya. Kabir, why should anyone be afraid? Kabira wa Kabir tu kahe dariyo. Sarpar hari ka haath, when you're blessed by God. Kabira tu kahe dariyo. जब हरि का जब सर पे हरि का हाथ आती चढ़िया नहीं डोलिया कुकर मसई जो लाख. Dogs bark by the thousands, but if you're riding an elephant, you stay undisturbed. Say, love, pride, status, affection, how easily they all vanish the moment you ask a man to give something of yourself. Mani mahatam premaras garba tan gunnahi. Eja sakha rangya jabhi kanha kuch dehi. He says, Gavan ive roj hai. Music is imbued with melancholy, and sorrow is filled with music. O too, O my seeker, an ascetic may be possessed of greed, and a householder be free of all things. You see, there is always a big debate in India whether you must renounce the world in order to be holy. So he says, an ascetic, a person who renounces the world, will be possessed of greed And the person who lives in the world could be free of all things. Kabira, Gavan hi mein roj hai, Ravan mein hi raag, Ek viragi grah mein, Ek grahe mein raag. This is beautiful here. He says, even when sandalwood is broken into pieces, it emits fragrance. Even when sandalwood is broken in 1,000 pieces, it still emits fragrance. But, oh friend, there are few things, there are two things, which when broken, cannot be made whole again. One is trust, and the other is a pearl. There are two things, when once broken, they cannot be made whole again. One is trust, and the other is the pearl. So these are. But a sandalwood, even when broken into 1,000 pieces, it still gives fragrance. But there are two things which, once broken, cannot be made whole again. One is trust, and the other is a pearl. Chandan bhagai gun karahi, jaise chot paan, doi jan bhaga na milya, mukta halor manu. This again, a very simple prayer at the time of people say, asking for what do you pray? Many times people say prayers at the time of meals. He says, Sai itna dijiye, visme kutamba samaye, grant me enough, O my Lord, that all my family is well served, and anyone who comes to my door does not go hungry. Just that, enough. Sai itna dijiye, visme kutamba samaye, just grant me enough that my family is well taken care of. Sai itna dijiye, jisme kutumb samaye, मैं ना भूखा रहूं, साधु भी भूखा ना जाए, and the person who comes to my door is not rebuffed and does not go hungry. This one is very beautiful piece here. Bande kyun karni kare? Oh man, why do you do such things for which you have to repent later? Oh, why do such things for which you have to repent later? And if you plant bitter tree of baboon, this is a very bitter fruit. If you plant the bitter fruit tree of baboon, how do you expect to eat mangoes of it? How do you expect to eat mangoes of it? बंदे क्यों करनी करे, बंदे क्यों करनी करे, क्यों कर कै पछताए, पेड़ बोए बबूल के, तो आम कहाँ से खाए, तो आम कहाँ से खाए. So he said there are two things. He says a true seeker falls asleep. If somebody who is seeking falls asleep, awaken him. Oh dear friend, awaken him. But there are some things that should be left sleeping. What? A fool, a tiger, and a serpent. They should be left asleep. He says, Sota sadhu jagaye, a person who is seeking but is fall asleep, awaken him. Sota sadhu jagaye, karahe ram ka jaap, यह तीनों सोते भले, साकत, सिंह और सांप. Kabir sings this idea of oneness, of seeing the presence of the beloved in the holy verse. Sings many, many, many times in beautiful one piece after another. It says, Sapne mein sai mile. In a dream at night I saw the face of my beloved. And now I'm afraid to open my eyes, lest it were only a dream. Sapne mein sai mile. Sobat liya jagaye. I saw the face of my beloved, and she woke me from my deep slumber. सपने में साई मिले सोबत लिया जगाए आंख न खोलूं डर पता कहीं सपना ना हो जाए. Now I'm afraid to open my eyes lest it were only a dream. So this one here, a very beautiful 5 pieces. Herat he sakhi raha kabir hirai. I have been looking for her everywhere, but I can't find her. When a drop is submerged in the ocean, who can say what is what? And then he says again, he says, He Sakhi, I have been looking for her everywhere, but can't find her. He says, when the ocean is submerged in the drop, who can say what is what? And then the third one he says, when a drop is submerged in the ocean, that everyone can understand. But how the ocean is contained in the drop, that only a rare man can comprehend. Herat he sakhi, herat he sakhi, raha kabir hirai, boond saman hai samad mein, ab kat heri jai. When the drop is submerged in the ocean, who can say what is what? Boond saman hai samad mein, ab kat heri jai. Herat he sakhi, raha kabir hirai, samad samana boond mein, ab kat heri jai. बूंद समाना समद में जाने सब कोई. Everyone can understand when a drop is submerged in the ocean. But how the ocean is submerged in the drop, that only a rare man can understand. बूंद समाना समद में बूझे बिरला कोई. बूंद समाना समद में जाने सब कोई. समद समाना बूंद में बूझे बिरला कोई. यह तत् वह तत् एक है, एक प्राण दुई घात. अपने जिए से जानिए मेरे जिए की बात. He says, one breath that blows in all beings. One breath that blows in all beings. To understand me, look at yourself. यह तत् वह तत् एक है, एक प्राण दुई घात. अपने जिए से जानिए मेरे जिए की बात. He says, then again, he says, who is a holy man? And the word is pir, this is a Muslim word, Sufi word, pir, which also means pain, suffering. Pir and pir, same word. He says, जो पीड़ा कबीरा सोई पीर है, जो जाने पर पीर. So Kabir, who is a holy man? Who is a pir? One who understands others' suffering. कबीरा सोई पीर है, जो जाने पर पीर. जो पर पीर न जाने वो काफिर बे पीर. One who does not understand others' suffering is a kafir. He is not a holy man. He is a kafir. कबीरा सोई पीर है, जो जाने पर पीर. जो पर पीर न जाने सो काफिर बे पीर. is said about a deer that the source of fragrance is within the deer's musk. The musk is within, yet he wanders all over the forest trying to find fragrance. He said the musk is held in its pod, yet oblivious of the source of fragrance, the deer wanders all over the forest in its search. Oh dear friend, the Holy One is within, yet how unaware we are. Kasturi kundali basai, Kasturi kundali basai, Mriga dhunde ban mahi. Kasturi kundali basai, Mriga dhunde ban mahi. ऐसे घट घट राम है, दुनिया देखे नाही. He's everywhere, and yet we wander all over the earth in his little search. He says, as the pupil is in the eye, so too, O my friend, God resides within. Yet in our folly we wander all over the earth searching for him. जीव नैनन में पुतली क्यों खालक घन माही. जीव नैनन में पुतली क्यों खालक घन माही. मूर्ख लोग न जानही, बाहिर देख न जाही. But a fool looks outside, all over, trying to find him. मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, जो कुछ है सो तेरा. There's nothing that belongs to me, it belongs to you. Say tera, so by offering to you whatever I have, what do I lose? मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, जो कुछ है सो तेरा. I, me, mine, what illusion the mind creates. Oh Master, these fragments are all part of you. In offering them back to you, nothing I lose except myself. मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, जो कुछ है सो तेरा. तेरा तुझको सौंपते क्या लागे है मेरा. He says, just as the oil is hidden in the seed and the spark is in the stone, oh my friend, so is the Master hidden within. Open your eyes and see. ज्यों तिलमा ही तेल है, ज्यों चकमक में आग. ज्यों तिलमा ही तेल है, ज्यों चकमक में आग. तेरा साई तुझ में है, जाग सके तो जाग. जब मैं था तब हरि नाही, अब हरि है तो मैं नाही. I, thou, not two, but one. Oh dear friend, what a light that burns inside me, dispelling all duality, all darkness. जब मैं था तब तू हरि नाही, अब हरि है तो मैं नाही. सब अंधियारा मिटी गया, जब दीपक दिखया माही. So I will finish with the poem I started off with, one of my very favorites. It says, Hari hai khandu ret mahi. God's presence is like grains of sugar in a pile of sand. An elephant cannot pick them. God's presence is like grains of sugar in a pile of sand. An elephant cannot pick them. But a little ant moves the way. Kabir, Hari hai khandu ret mahi. हाथ चुनी ना जाए. God's presence is like grains of sugar in a pile of sand. An elephant cannot pick them, but a little ant knows the way. Truth, my friends, is very subtle. Be humble to seek it. Hari hai khandu ret mahi, हाथ चुनी ना जाए. कहे कबीर गुरु भरी बुझाए. चींटी होय के खाए, चींटी होय के खाए, चींटी होय के खाए. Thank you.